how to extract website data using Firecrawl AI. First, open your web browser and go to the official Firecrawl website. Click Start for free and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look for Playground and select the Scrape a Web Page option. Now, copy the URL of the website or web page you want to extract data from and paste it into the URL field. Next, choose the output format. For example, you can select Markdown for clean web page content or JSON when you need structured data. Firecrawl supports several output formats for scraped pages. Click Start Scrape and wait for Firecrawl to process the web page. The extracted content will appear in a clean format, making it easier to use for research, AI analysis, summaries, or data collection. If you need specific information, you can also use Firecrawl's AI-powered extraction to pull structured data from the page. That's a quick way to extract useful website data without doing everything manually. If this video helped you, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials.